Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English Literature course book our lesson 6 the 3 questions. Today I will explain you this lesson. Student, this is our English Literature course book. This is lesson 6 the 3 questions in English Literature. Student, I have explained you scene 1 and scene 2 from this lesson. Today I will explain you scene 3 and scene 4 from this lesson. First of all, we have to understand scene 3 of this lesson. Morning time. In the wood, in the hermit's hut. The king wakes up in the morning. He sees the bearded man lying on the bed, gazing intently at him. The hermit walks into the room. It was time in the wood in the hermit's hut. The king wakes up in the morning. He sees the bearded man who was lying on the bed, gazing intently at him. At that time, the hermit walks into the room. Bearded man, in a weak voice to the king, forgive me. You don't know me. I am that enemy of yours who swore to revenge himself on you. Because you put my brother to death and captured his property. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit and I decided to kill you. When you did not return, I came out from my ambush to find you. But your bodyguards wounded me. I escaped from them and would have bled to death had you not dressed my wound. I wished to kill you and you have saved my life. Now, if you wish it, I will serve you as your most faithful slave. Forgive me. The hermit walks out of the room. Bearded man said to the king in a very low and weak voice, Please give him. The bearded man told king that he is that enemy of king who wanted to take revenge from king, because king was put his brother to death and captured his property also. He told him that he knew that king had come near hermit alone, so he wanted to kill him. When king did not return, he came out from hidden position to find him, but the bodyguards wounded him very badly. He escaped from them. The bearded man felt very bad to think how he wanted to kill the king, and the king is a person who saved his life from death. So that is why he feel very sorry. The bearded man said to the king, Please forgive him. Now he wanted that he will serve him as his most faithful slave. At that time, hermit walks out of the room. King, I forgive you. I am very glad to have made peace with my enemy and gained you for a friend. I will send my own physician to attend to you. I will also restore your property. The king walks out of the room. The king said to bearded man, The king said to bearded man, I forgive you. The king said that he is very happy to have peace with his enemy and had gained a friend. He said that he will send his own physician to care for his health, and he also said that he will restore his property also. Then the king walks out of the room. Now we have to understand scene 4. Outside the hut. King. For the last time, I pray to you to answer my questions, wise man. Hermit. You have already been answered. The hermit kneels on his thin legs and looks up at the king who stands before him. King answered, how? What do you mean? In this scene, the king again prayed to hermit, please tell him the answer of his 3 questions. Hermit said to the king that you have got your answer already. The king said, answer? What is his meaning? He was very surprised. Hermit. Don't you see? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had gone your way, that man would have attacked you and you would have repented of not having stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. I was the most important person, and to do me good was your most important business. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending to the wounded man. He would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important person, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember, then there's only one time that's important. Now, it's the most important time because it's the only time when we have any power. The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, for no one knows whether they will ever have dealing with anyone else. And the most important affair is to do them good, because for that purpose alone was a person sent into this life. Hermit said to the king that if you not feel pity on my condition and not stay here and gone from here, your enemy perhaps attack you and kill you. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds, and I was the most important person. And what you have done for me is the most important work. After that, the most important time was when you saved the bearded man who was wounded. You take care of him and save his life and become friends. So then he was very important person, and what you do for him to save his life, that is very important work for you. We should always remember that there is only one time that is important, that is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time when we have any power. The most important person is the one with whom we are, and most important work to do good thing in our life.